Hello all my lovely people, welcome to the making of the pre-finale of Mr. India 2025 and आज हम निकले हैं हमारे अगले Mr. Indias ढूंढने.
The game is in its final stages and everyone wants to finish it all in style. But what differentiates the man from the boys? The voice from the noise. आज सब देखने को मिलेगा. Whoop.
Oh, look who's here. Ladies and gentlemen, my co-host for today, Mr. Supranational Asia 2018, Altamash Faraz.
Hello, Miss Co-host. Allow me the honor to introduce to you Miss Nehal Chudasama, Miss Diva Universe 2018.
But listen, wait, this is 2025 and आज तो challenges का पूरा buffet लगा है, Altamash.
And for starters, we begin with some witty, wise words in Cut the Cliche. Every contestant will be asked one burning question. Why do you think they deserve to be Mr. India? And the answer should not be a cliche.
Absolutely not. So, let's go have a check?
Yes, let's
go.
I believe that a Mr. India should be a complete package which comes with the proper mix of education, character, sense of passion, sense of responsibility, and also an ability to ensure that he drives the youth in the correct path. I feel as a Mr. India, I would be able to do full justice to that.
Every guy out there would be consistent, would be hardworking. I am dedicated, consistent, and I am ready to give every ounce of sweat and blood to achieve this title.
My mindset separates me from the rest of the lot. This mindset is one of constant improvement, even if it's 1% better than you were yesterday. When you come to the stage with such a mindset, you're bound to win something at some point when you refuse to give up.
I think I am the best. Secondly, I am the best. And thirdly, I am fantastic. I have what it takes to represent India internationally, as well as to take our heritage, our culture, and to represent it on a worldwide scale.
I feel that I should be Mr. India because I hold some qualities that other people in the contestants don't. I feel really proud just to get to here, and my goal is not just to win Mr. India, my goal is to win Mr. India World.
The various skill set that I inherit, being a musician, being a sportsman, the resilience, the calmness, but something that really gives me an edge over everyone else is the diverse worlds that I've been through, and I can connect them to create something very impactful for society and for the country.
कुछ very cool answers और कुछ cool responses. But I see some of them really stood out with their confidence.
I totally agree. And the real hack to looking confident is a charming smile. Very important. Listening, the boys will learn to groom their smile and be happy in our next expert sessions.
So let's have a look.
Chalo.
Camera picks up everything. In today's Smile Care session, our Smile Care experts Dr. Arjun Panikar and Dr. Boski Panikar covered everyday oral hygiene hacks beyond brushing. Quick pre-shoot smile prep from rinses to hydration. Teeth-friendly food habits to avoid stains and relaxation tips. A smile isn't just teeth, it's confidence captured.
I take almost like 3-4 cups of Americano, and many people have said that it's because of that coffee thing you have this bit of tint of yellowness.
You will tend to see that happens between teeth, not on the front surface. If your surface texture is absolutely smooth, the stain take-up is going to be less.
What's coming next is the IQ test for the guys. So let's move on to our next sub-contest, Bennett University Mr. IQ.
और दादा?
यस सर।
कैसे?
बस
क्या चल रहा है?
चल रहा है, काम चल रहा है।
दादा, ये जो मॉडल आजकल घूम रहे हैं, ये क्या लगता है, क्या खाते हो?
ये फिटनेस के लिए सर ग्रीन टी, ब्लैक कॉफी, नारियल पानी, फ्रूट्स, नींबू पानी।
हेल्थ कॉन्शियस खाते हैं?
यस सर।
हाँ, पर मॉडल है, एलियन थोड़ी सी धूप खाएंगे। कोई बात। अगर आपको ये जानना है कि क्या खाते हैं और कितना खाते हैं, तो नेक्स्ट सेशन देखिए।
Yes, sir.
एक कॉफी।
Yes, sir. Right.
थैंक यू।
They say you are what you eat. The contestants here are learning who they are and who they want to be from our nutrition expert Isha Lal. The expert told the finalists about the importance of nutrition, shared a must-have diet, and also gave them some pre-stage snack tips.
So what is the best drink that we can have during the workout?
During the workout, make a lemonade for yourself. With a little bit of, you can have maybe palm sugar or coconut sugar, bit of black salt, thoda sa black pepper. That's your best drink along with lime or lemon.
But won't lemon create acidity while working?
No, it's alkaline for the body. It's acidic outside, but your body processes it as alkaline. Yes, but don't do excess of any food, I would say.
Mind Body Smile Style. हर तरह से तैयार हैं हमारे लड़के for one of the most stressful rounds of this competition, the personal interview.
Stressful? So you have been in these rounds. क्या आप शेयर करना चाहोगे exactly कैसा फील होता है?
I think the feeling is pretty similar to when you are sitting next to an out-of-the-world diva. आप अपना खुद का नाम बोल जाते हैं।
Yeah, right. Very accurate analogy, Altamash.
Altamash? वो कौन? Sorry, मैं अपना नाम भूल गया था।
Very cheesy, but cute. Anyway, let's see हमारे contestants को क्या याद रहता है।
I'm Shiv Chaudia. I'm 18 years old. I've grown up in a household with 4 generations under one roof. I'm also very spiritual, and balancing time has been one of my greatest challenges. So I just surrender to the divine and let the divine guide my way.
Who's your tennis idol?
My tennis idol is Djokovic. The fluidity that Djokovic has on court is something I believe that no other tennis player inherits until now.
How would you like dress yourself as the Indian man on the international stage for the national costume?
I'll play around dhoti for sure. Yeah, and I belong to Patna, Bihar. So there is this print called Madhubani painting. So I'll use that in my top for sure.
Honestly, I've stopped planning for the future with how disruptive it can be. I don't want to have a plan for the future. I want to have a vision for the future. And the vision I have is that I control the controllables and I don't care about the rest. Everything else that's handed to me, I make the most of the moment.
Adish, I really love what you're wearing. Take me through this. What do you call it?
So this is actually Jodhpuri Band Gala suit. It's a combination of Western as well as a typical Rajasthani culture.
Who is the most beautiful man in the pageant to you?
I think it would be me.
Love that.
To start with would be child welfare. Second is, I'd say, child and women's safety as well, because that has been a continued concern in the country for quite some time. I do understand that the authorities and the government is doing all that they can, but I think we need a bit of an improvement on that front. And lastly, something which I relate to very closely, which is very dear to me, is the welfare of the aged. We need to ensure that both the youth and the elderly are treated well, and that is where I think our country would grow holistically.
Raghav, you seem to have a very level-headed sort of a personality. You've answered some of the most difficult questions in such a simple and with a beautiful smile. So I want to congratulate you for that.
Oh, ये राउंड तो सच में बहुत stressful था यार. कुछ तो करना चाहिए.
Let's go have some fun with the jury. What do you say?
That has never happened before, but we can do that.
We should.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay.
Alright, now that we're here,
changed.
Let's begin with the host versus the jury. Alright, the first question is, Altamash.
Who is the first female president of India?
It was Pratibha Prahlad.
I think it's Pratibha
Patil.
So you were half there.
Give it to me.
I got her name.
Pratibha Patil, guys, we know.
Who wrote the national song? You do know the national song, right?
Yes.
Who wrote it?
What are the options? We need the options actually.
Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay or Sarojini Naidu?
I think the second option.
The second option.
Right, you all are right.
Very good.
See?
Who is known as the Missile Man of India?
All right, give us the options.
The options are Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Vikram Sarabhai, Homi Bhabha.
Number 2.
No.
Vikram Sarabhai.
Malika's dad. Oh my God, I should have known that.
Okay, so what's the right answer?
It's APJ Abdul Kalam.
Oh my God, I was right.
It's easy one, man.
I was right. Who's the president of India?
Easy.
Go for it. Do we need hits?
We don't need the option. This is Draupadi Murmu.
Absolutely.
Yay.
Well done. Well
Proud of you.
Which city is known as the pink city of Kashmir?
Jaipur, come on.
Okay. So,
Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Was it Mahatma Gandhi, B.R. Ambedkar or Jawaharlal Nehru?
Dr. Ambedkar.
Right, you. I don't know. Girl.
I think we're winning.
Well done.
What is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh?
Itanagar, I think.
Should we log Itanagar?
What is
Itanagar.
Do you need a lifeline?
Itanagar.
Itanagar, are you sure?
I think it is.
Sure?
Yes,
This
yes.
time, if this is wrong, you're gonna lose.
No, we're not gonna lose.
Should we lock it?
Lock
Yes.
I think you won. Yeah.
Yeah. What is the capital of Assam?
It's Guwahati.
No.
Oh my God.
Take the options. Take the
I know.
options.
Give me the
Take
options.
the options.
Okay, I'll tell you without the option. It's Despur.
Wow, I'm very impressed.
What is the full form of ATM? It's easy.
Anytime money.
No.
Is it not?
Give me the options.
No.
The options are anytime money,
Okay, that's what I thought.
automated teller machine, automatic transfer machine.
The second option.
Teller machine.
Teller machine.
Yay!
That is correct. That is correct.
Okay.
What is the full form of CBI?
It's the Central Bureau of Investigation.
Well done. Well done.
Drum rolls.
That was extraordinary. Wow, such a sporting fun jury there.
And such a fun jodi here.
You don't give up, don't you?
Well, you know, that's the spirit of this competition, right?
Can't argue with that at all. We neither give away our spirits nor the title. इसलिए हम कभी भी ex-Mr. this or that नहीं बोलते. But it's always Mr. India 2018 or
Mr. India 2025. अच्छा नील एक बात बताओ. Who do you think will etch their name in history?
Wow, I do have my bets. But suspense तो climax में ही खुलेगा. In the grand finale episode of Mr. India 2025. So mark your calendars and clear up the schedule.
Because we don't declare a king, but we create an emperor.
And our job is done here. Do miss us, but do not miss the finale where we announce the winners of Mr. India 2025. Bye.
Bye.